You know that feeling when you scroll through social media? Someone just made a fortune overnight. Bitcoin soared. A meme stock exploded. You feel that primal urge. That rush to jump in. The fear of missing out is real. And no, there's nothing wrong with you. Your brain is just doing what it's wired to do. It's craving that instant hit. That quick win. But here's the thing. The truly wealthy, they play a different game. Most people chase the shiny object. They check their stock apps every 5 minutes. They react to every news headline. Buy this, sell that. Day trading promises freedom. Guru X guarantees riches. They jump from one hot tip to the next, constantly trying to time the market. They believe success comes from aggressive, daily action. It's an exhausting, relentless cycle. Society often glorifies this high-octane approach. Media portrays quick fortunes. It paints a picture of constant hustle, but for most, this leads to financial stress. It leads to underperformance. Deal happening in your brain. When you see a stock surge, your brain releases dopamine. It's a powerful neurotransmitter. It signals reward. This creates an addictive loop. You crave that next hit. When you lose money, cortisol floods your system. That's your stress hormone. It activates your amygdala. This ancient brain region controls fear and anger. It screams, danger. Your fight-flight response kicks in. You want to sell everything, or double down recklessly. A 2023 study from the University of Cambridge found something crucial. Emotional decisions in investing can reduce returns by up to 5% annually. Your prefrontal cortex? That's your logical, long-term planning center. It gets overridden. The emotional brain takes charge. Your hippocampus remembers past losses. It biases future decisions. Over 80% of active traders underperform simple index funds. This isn't about intelligence. It's about biology. It's about mastering your own mind. For thousands of years, this made sense. Your ancestors needed to react fast. Spot that berry bush? Grab it now. See that predator? Run immediately. Survival depended on short-term gains. Immediate gratification. Quick decisions were life or death. Your caveman brain is still wired this way. It seeks immediate reward. It avoids immediate pain. It prioritizes the present. This built for decades of compounding. It's not built for patience. It's built for the hunt. For sudden bursts of energy. This ancient wiring pushes us to act, to trade, to do something. It screams at us to chase excitement. But true wealth building demands patience. It demands a different kind of action. Society tells us to be active, to constantly hustle, to beat the market. We see headlines about individual stocks. We hear about the next big thing. There's this pervasive idea that you must be smart enough to pick winners, that you must outwit everyone else, but actually, that's a trap. The truly wealthy? They often do the opposite. They embrace simplicity. They embrace the boring. They don't chase the quick adrenaline rush. They focus on long-term growth. They challenge the misconception that more action equals more profit. You're not alone if you feel pressured to perform complex trades. It's a societal narrative, but it often leads to distraction and underperformance. The path to lasting wealth looks different. Let's dig deeper into the psychology. Your cognitive processing plays a huge role. We suffer from confirmation bias. We seek information that validates our act of trading. We ignore contradictory evidence. Then there's loss aversion. We feel the pain of a loss twice as intensely as the pleasure of an equivalent gain. This drives impulsive selling, or holding on to losers too long. That's not logical, that's emotional. But the truly mentally tough, they cut through this noise. They exhibit extreme self-control. It's a stoic approach. Focus on what you can control: your savings rate, your investment strategy, your emotional response. You cannot control the market. You cannot predict the future. The Goggins mindset applies here. Stay hard on your plan. Stay committed. Resist the urge for instant gratification. This isn't about beating the market. It's about letting the market work for you. It's about mastering yourself, what this really says about you. If you choose index funds, you're not passive. You're powerfully strategic. You demonstrate profound discipline. You master your impulses. You resist the lure of instant gratification. You have a long-term vision. You see beyond the daily noise. This shows incredible mental toughness. You embrace humility. You recognize the futility of trying to beat efficient markets. You choose consistent, strategic action. This isn't weakness. It's a superpower. You are prioritizing time and consistency. These are the true drivers of wealth. You have the mental fortitude to embrace the boring path. The path less traveled by the impulsive. You're built for the marathon, not the sprint. So, here's the summary. Index funds aren't just an investment tool. They are a psychological tool. They leverage human nature instead of fighting it. They align with self-mastery. This isn't about being smarter than the market. It's about being smarter than your own brain. If this resonated with you, take action. Learn more about low-cost index funds. Embrace the power of patience. Master your mind. Master your money. That's how wealth is truly built.